we're gonna make more pumpkin seeds.
We're done with our pumpkins. Hey, let us know which one you think is best. Put it in the comments. Hey, these are the seeds.
One on the right.
They're going in, this is just water. I'm gonna soak them in the fridge overnight in a saltwater bath.
Shit, bad. We're getting light.
More salt will be added before we toast them tomorrow. Hey, these are going in the refrigerator. Happy Halloween! Hey y'all, welcome back. I hope y'all enjoyed our pumpkin carving contest this year. These have been soaking in a saltwater bath overnight. Now I'm just going to pour them into a colander. I'm not rinsing. I want to leave as much of that salt on there that they've already absorbed. I don't want to rinse that off. I'm just gonna let them sit there for just a little bit and dry a tad, and then we'll move on. Okay. All right. Now that our seeds are not all the way dry, but a lot drier than they were, soaking in that water. Parchment paper works just great. Last year I used parchment paper. This year I just happen to have one of these nifty silicone mats that are safe to go in the oven. Just gonna spread them out a little bit, and we're gonna apply some sea salt. Be generous with your salt. And yes, regular salt does work too. Actually used regular salt for the saltwater bath that these were soaking in. And this part is optional, but we like Creole seasoning, so I'm gonna put a little bit of that on there. Not too much, just enough to give it a little kick. We can't do anything normal. We have to do everything our own way. All right, now I'm just gonna mix that up a little bit more again. Spread them out. Try not to drop any on the floor. And I'm gonna repeat. Oven is ready at 325 degrees. I've got a timer set. I'm gonna turn it on just a second as soon as I pop these in there. For 20 minutes. And at 20 minutes, we're gonna turn these and flip them. I'll show you how I do that when we get to it. So, in the oven we go. Set my timer. All right, okay. Let's pull these out. Oof. Yeah. We're just turning these, kind of mixing them around. I have more pumpkin seeds this year than I had last year, so probably could have done this in 2 batches or 2 different containers. And it's okay, we're gonna go with it. I'm gonna pick up one that looks almost done. Tasting it for flavor. They need to roast some more, and then need more salt. I'm setting my timer for another 20 minutes. If in 20 minutes after this they're not done, I will pull out another container and I'll do 2 different ones. That'll be enough Creole for these. Because I can taste the Creole in my mouth. What I couldn't taste was salt. So, more salt. Alright, I'm going to pop these back in there. And we'll see what I come up with in 20 minutes. Will I need another container? I don't know. We're going to find out. Okay, timer just went off again. Let's have a look-see. That's 40 minutes total, and we're still quite wet. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna transfer out these into here, and now I have parchment paper on the bottom of these. They got a bit more room to breathe. Alright, back in the oven at 325. Let's do another 20 minutes. Okay, let's check again. Yeah, that's working better. Alright, note to self, don't use the silicone mats when doing pumpkin seeds. Hey. Not done yet, but definitely better. And they have a little bit more space to move around and be mixed around. I'm gonna put them in there I'm gonna put 10 minutes. See what I come up with, and we'll go from there. Okay. Let's see if we're actually done now. I think they're looking pretty darn done. Don't want to murder them. Oh yeah. Those are done. Let them cool down just a little bit and we will taste one. Okay, let's taste a couple. Salty with a kick. Yeah, those are good. Happy Halloween!